A sense of panic and mystery has gripped the Khumulwng area after a tribal woman was shot inside her own home on Saturday night. The victim, identified as Deepali Debbarma, is currently battling for her life at the Govind Ballabh Pant hospital in Agartala. The incident occurred late Saturday night while the family was gathered together to brave the winter chill. According to family members, they had lit a small fire to keep themselves warm. While the family was sitting around the fire, a bullet suddenly struck Deepali, causing her to collapse instantly. The family members stated they are completely unaware of who fired the shot or from which direction it came, as the attack was sudden and unexpected. Following the shooting, Deepali was immediately rushed to the Khorang hospital in Khumulwng. However, due to the critical nature of her injury, a gunshot wound to the chest, doctors referred her to the GBP hospital in Agartala for advanced treatment.
আমরা আগুন জ্বালাইছে চারজন লোক আমরা মা সবরি মা আমার মা শাশুড়ি আর বলতো বউ ঘর বাড়ি গিয়া বাড়ি দিছে এরপরে গুলি নি লাগছে না লাগতেছে না ঠিক করে
গুলি কোনখানে লাগছে কি কে করছে গুলি কয়টার সময় ঘটনা
8টা সাড়ে 8টা
এরপরে কোন হাসপাতাল নিছেন
খরং
এরপরে
রেফার এরপরে জীবিতে রেফার দিয়েছে
কি নাম
দীপালি দেববর্মা
বয়স কত
বয়স 30
বাড়ি কোনখানে
সামনন্দপাড়া
তো পুলিশ আইছিল ঘটনা খবর পায়া
পুলিশ তো ওখানে এখানে
তোমার কি লাগে
The mysterious nature of the shooting has created a wave of tension throughout the Khumulwng area. Local residents are in shock, questioning the safety of the surroundings after such a brazen act of violence occurred within the confines of a private home. Report Tripura from Agartala, Chini Khorang.